we're going to work on some weaving. So we're going to use yarn or string, something that you have, strips of fabric maybe, and we're going to use sticks. Now you can use real sticks like I did, or you can use craft sticks. So there's a straight piece and then an X going over that one. You see the X and a line through it? And this craft is called making a God's eye. You may have done this before, or maybe Mom and Dad did this at camp a long time ago. Now if you make this much bigger and use big craft sticks, it'll be easier for small hands to do. So I already glued these together. If you don't want to glue them together, you can tie them together with fishing line or with a yarn or string or twine, whatever you have. And then you're going to be working on weaving the yarn around the sticks. Around. We're still going over and under, but we're wrapping it around it and under and over. So you go over the whole thing and under. Well, that part might be difficult for little fingers. That's okay. It's a fun thing to do. Hang it up if I want to. Now what do you think this kind of looks like, friends? Can you see the design? Does it look like something that a spider might live in? Turn it over. You can see on both sides of it. Does it kind of look like a web? It does. Yeah, so you can make your own web or God's eye. You can make it like an ornament. You could use different colors. Try just the weaving or do the wrapping around the sticks and the weaving. Try it both ways. See what yours looks like. But for little fingers, that might be a challenge. So just practice going under and over. See if you can complete that pattern. Just keep going and see how much you can fill it up. This is a little bit of a simpler version of a God's eye. This is just weaving. You go over this one and under this one. Over this one, keep turning it. Under this one. Over this stick. Under this stick. And we're going to keep doing that. Over and under, over and under, over and under. Mom and Dad can help you remember the pattern. And this is going to be really cool. It's going to weave this around and make a really cool design. If you have yarn that has lots of different colors in it, then it's going to be even cooler because you're going to be able to see the pattern. It's still cool with just one color. Looks like. There, isn't that cool? You can hang that up. And if doing the weaving or the God's eye, going around the stick is too much of a challenge, just try covering a stick with the yarn. Mom and Dad tie the yarn on one end. And if you have strips of fabric or string, whatever you have, and then let them just cover the stick. Just work on those finger muscles of wrapping it around the stick. Wrap around the stick. And just keep working on it. You can even hold the yarn in one hand and turn the stick to fill it up. Or you could do this with a pencil, chopsticks, pieces of cardboard, and just wrap it up. There you go. The big fuzzy stick now. Make it into a snake or worm. You could do this with letters. You could do a bunch of sticks like this and then build your name. Here's an M that I put together for Mrs. Kamin or Max. And then I could wrap this whole letter in yarn, and I could have a yarn M or whatever letter you want. Have fun.